asteroid belt. Fragments of debris left over from the formation of the solar system. Fragments that gravity could never mold into a single planet. Fragments in endless tumblings about the sun. Emerging from this cosmic boulder field, we enter the gateway to the outer planets. Jupiter, a world so large that 1,300 planets the size of Earth could fit inside it. Its striped face marks the tops of enormous cloud systems. Here, ammonia snows swirl in blizzards of gigantic proportions, while deeper down, ammonia rains are unleashed in torrents, and lightning bolts flash with energy